Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Information Security Compliance ISO 27000. ISO 27000 came out of the BS British Standard 7799, originally published in 1995 in three parts. The first part of BS 7799, dealing with the best practices of information security, was incorporated in ISO 17799 and is made part of the ISO 27000 series in 2000. Part 2, titled Information Security Management Systems, specification with guidance for use, became ISO 27001 and dealt with the implementation of the Information Security Management System. The third part was not incorporated into the ISO 27000 series, similar to ISO's 9000 series, which focuses on quality. ISO 27000 is an optional accreditation that can be used to show that an organization meets certain level of information security maturity. Overview of the ISO 27000 sections. ISO 27001 ISMS requirements. ISO 27002 ISMS controls. ISO 27003 ISMS implementation guidelines. ISO 27004 ISMS measurements. ISO 27005 risk management. ISO 27006 guidelines for ISO 27000 accreditation bodies. Explanation of the section. ISO 27001 details the actual requirement of the businesses to comply with the ISO 27000 standard. ISO 27002 builds on ISO 27001 by providing a description of the various controls that can be utilized to meet requirement of ISO 27001. ISO 27003 provides detail on the implementation of the standard, including project approval, scope analysis, risk management, and ISMS design. ISO 27004 outlines how an organization can monitor and measure security in relation to the ISO 27000 standards with metrics. ISO 27005 defines the high-level risk management approach recommended by ISO. Certification process. Within the ISO 27001 document, there are specifications to which a company's ISMS can be submitted for potential certification. The certificate process begins after an accredited organization finds that the corporation has met the requirements as outlined in ISO 27001. Once this organization determines that the company has met the requirements of ISO 27001, the certificate is granted. Certificate must be renewed every 3 years and is subject to audits. Benefits to business. Compliance with ISO standards provide companies with a credential which demonstrates that the company is in compliance with the requirement of this well-organized standard. It also gives employees and clients more assurance that their data is safe with the company. In some cases, companies may require ISO certification in order to do business. The ISO 27000 standard contains many useful recommendations, and companies are encouraged to familiarize themselves with the recommendations even if they do not plan on becoming certified. The acquisition of the standard does cost money to obtain. However, qualified compliance practitioners can assist with the preparation for the compliance effort. Conclusion. ISO 27000 is comprised of 6 parts outlining the requirement for certification, guideline for achieving the requirements, and guideline for accrediting organizations. The standard provides many useful recommendations for companies seeking certification as well as those merely interested in improving their security. Similar to the ISO 9000 quality standard, ISO 27000 is optional, but it may soon be a business requirement. Thank you for watching.